Today we are going to discuss method of reducing friction. It is quite easy. The friction can be reduced by number 1 making the sliding surface smooth. Number 2 making the fast moving objects a streamlined shapes, fish shapes such as cars, aeroplanes, etc. This causes the smooth flow of air and thus maximize air resistance at high speed. Number 3 lubricating the sliding surface using ball bearing, roller bearing because the rolling friction is lesser than the sliding friction. Uniform circular motion. We comes across many things in our daily lives that are moving along circular path. Take a small stone, tie it at one end of the strings and keep the other end of the string in your hand as shown in figure. Now rotate the stone holding the string. The stone will move in a circular path. The motion of stone will called as circular motion. Similarly, motion of the circular around the earth is called circular motion. The definition of circular motion: the motion of an object in a circular path is known as circular motion. So there are two circular motions: centripetal force and centrifugal force. Centripetal force. Consider a body tied at the end of string moving with a uniform speed in a circular path. A body has tendency to move in a straight line due to its inertia. Then why does the body move in a circular? The string to which the body is tied keep it to move in a circular by pulling the body towards the center of the circle. The string pulls the body perpendicular to its motion. The pulling force continuously changes the direction of motion and remains towards the center of circle. This seeking force is called centripetal force. It keeps the body to move in a circle. Centripetal force always act perpendicular to the motion of body. According to the definition, the centripetal force is a force that keeps a body to move in a circle. Let's study the centripetal force. Let a body of mass m moving with a uniform speed v in a circular radius r. The acceleration produced by the centripetal force is given by centripetal acceleration a is equal to v square over r. According to the Newton's second law of motion, the centripetal force Fc is given by Fc is equal to ma. Now putting the value of a from the above equation, so it becomes Fc is equal to mv square over r. The equations show that the centripetal force needed by a body moving in a circle depends on the mass m of body, square of its velocity v, and reciprocal to the radius of circle r. Centrifugal force. Consider a stone tied to a strings moving in a circle. The necessary centripetal force acts on the stone through the strings that keep it to move in a circle. According to the Newton's third law of the motion, there exists a reactions to this centripetal force. Centripetal reaction that pulls the strings to outward is sometimes called the centrifugal force. There are some example of centripetal and centrifugal force. Banking of the roads. When cars takes a turn, centripetal force is needed to keep it in its curved shape. The friction between the tires and the road provided the necessary centripetal force. The car would skid if the force of friction between the tires and the road is not sufficient. Practically, when the roads are wet, thus the problem is solved by banking of the curved road. Banking of the road means the outer edge of the road is raised. Imagine a vehicle on the curved road such as shown in the figure. Banking causes a component of vehicle's weight to provide the necessary centripetal force while taking a turn. Thus the banking of roads prevents the skidding of vehicle and thus makes the driving safe. Second, washing machine dryer. The dryer of washing machine is basket spinner. They have perforated walls having large number of fine holes in the cylindrical rotor as shown. The lid of the cylindrical container is closed after putting wet cloth in it. When spins it at high speed, the water from wet cloth is forced out through these holes due to lack of centripetal force. Number 3. Cream separator. Most modern plants use a separator to control the fat contents of various products. A separator is a high-speed spinner. It acts on the same principle of centrifugal machine. The ball spins at very high speed, causing the heavier contents of milk to move outward in the bowl, pushing the lighter contents inward towards the spinning X. Cream or butterfat is lighter than other component in milk. Therefore, the skim milk, which is denser than cream, is collected at the outer wall of the bowl. The lighter part pushed towards the center from where it is collected through a pipe.